Good morning, children. Welcome to today's science class. Today we are going to recap characteristics of living and non-living things. We learn to differentiate between them. Sid and Alicia are sitting in their lawn and doing their homework. And their dog Diamond is chasing a butterfly. Children, as you can see, Sid and Alicia are surrounded by many non-living things and living things. For example, their dog Diamond and butterfly are living things. Notebook, teddy and chair are non-living things. Now we learn the characteristics of living and non-living things. How a living thing is different from a non-living thing. Characteristics that living things have but non-living things do not have. First characteristics. All living things need food. Plants prepare their own food using air, water and sunlight. Food provides energy to all living things to work and to grow. Growth. All living things grow. A baby grows into an adult. Chick grows into a hen. Sapling grows into an adult plant. All living things breathe. Animals breathe using their special body parts. Fish breathes through its gills. Human breathes through their lungs. Insects breathe through the holes on their body. Plants breathe through tiny opening on their leaves called stomata. All living things move from one place to another. Though plants do not move from one place to another, but still some plants are sensitive to light and they move towards sun. All living things produce young ones of their own kind. Some animals lay eggs and some give birth to young ones. Hen lays eggs and cow give birth to calves. The process by which living things produce their young ones is known as reproduction. Another characteristics of living beings is that they can feel. Living things can feel the changes in their environment. They undergo changes as the environment around them changes. So, a thing is living thing only if it shows all the characteristics that we have discussed. A thing that does not show any one of these characteristics is a non-living thing. A balloon increases in size when we blow air into it. It doesn't mean that a balloon is a living thing. It increases because we are blowing air. A car moves from one place to another, but it doesn't move by itself. It moves only when we drive it. So, car and balloon both are non-living things. So, in this module we have learnt difference between living and non-living things. Living things can move, non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things, they need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things, they breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things, they grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things, they feel, and non-living things, they do not feel. Living things, they reproduce their young ones, whereas non-living things do not reproduce.